Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with your girl Fluffy K. And today I'll be cooking for you some curry chicken. And you know, over here we cook everything. As my grandmother would say, from a pin to an anchor. So today I'm going to show you an easy step of making curry chicken the most tasty, delicious way. Stay with me, let me show you how I do my thing. This is all the ingredients I'm about to put in my curry chicken, right? So I have some seasoning here, and this is all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, Maggi all-purpose plus Maggi chicken. So whatever season you have at home, you can go ahead and just use it. So I have some curry here, and this is some blended mixed seasoning. So this has onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, onion, and ginger and pimento seed. These were blended ahead of time. And I have some salt here, and this is some more seasoning. The same thing that's blended in that is what I have in this. So if your thyme, your garlic and whatever else you have at home, just cut them up just like this. And here over here I have my chicken. My chicken was clean, cut, and now I'm just washing my chicken. And when I finish washing this, you have to wash the chicken properly, Very important to wash your meat with some vinegar. I've already added some vinegar to my water, so just some vinegar. And then I'm just gonna add in all my herbs, my seasonings. Let me take out the pepper. So, alright, so some salt, little salt. This is my blended seasoning. You can't just put the curry alone for your chicken because it not have no good taste. And this is my blended seasoning. And here goes, guys, the magic, the curry in the kitchen. So I'm putting this amount of curry on my chicken, but when I'm ready to add my chicken to the oil, I'm gonna put some oil in the pot, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more curry so it can give it a more beautiful curry color. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm just using my hand, and you see I have a gloves on, because if you get curry in your nails, guys, that would be another thing. You'll be walking around with curry nails all week long. So make sure you use a spoon to mix, or you use a gloves. We don't want to walk around with no curry nails, because that's not cute. Right, guys? So look at this now. This is my chicken, and you can marinate your chicken overnight, or you can do it a few hours ahead of time, or you could just do it and put it straight to the pot, because when you have good seasoning and good herbs, it go meat half it tastes good. It doesn't matter if you just season it in the pot. So look at this. I'm gonna taste my meat. Some people don't taste it, but you're not gonna know if your meat tastes good if you don't taste it. The seasonings are already, when you taste your meat's supposed to taste like it's already cooked. That's what you do when you're doing good cooking. So you dip your hand and you do this. Perfect. And then if you want more salt, or you want a little more seasoning, or taste salt, tastes good, man. Mine tastes good. So we're gonna put this straight to the pot. So we're gonna put on some oil, and as I go along, I'm gonna show you everything. You don't have to worry over it. Okay, people, so look at this. This is my chicken, and time flies. It's been 4 hours I've been marinating my chicken. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little curry to the oil. See that? And this is what I have here. I have some cut pepper and a piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna add it to my oil. Look at that. That's what they call burn the curry. in the oil. So now what me I gonna do? Me I gonna put in my chicken. My oil well hot, you know, guys. So me have all my gloves same way, and my chicken me I add, right? So look at this. Me I add my chicken into the oil. You know, if you can avoid some of the seasoning, you can, but you know, no matter. Ginger is good for curry and pork and them stuff there. You know, a lot of people say them stuff there hurt them belly. Well, me never cook no curry with hurt nobody belly, thank God. But you know, a lot of people have that problem. See here, chicken in the oil, make a few stir so that you know everything fully curry down. You just have to make this fry, you know, kind of fry, not fry as in fried chicken. And you know, cook it. Look at this, girl, the smell, the aroma. Look at this nice curry chicken, guys. You can eat this with some white rice. You can eat this with some boiled banana and boiled dumpling. You don't know what you want to eat yours with, but I think I'm going to eat mine with some rice. So over here, so the pot I'm going to simmer down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover up this, and every 3 to 5 minutes I'm going to come back and I'm going to look. I'm going to look on it and make sure so everything is simmer down right. Then when it's done fry up on both sides, then I'm going to add. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add, you see the water drop off of the pot cover. This is my chicken without no water at all. Just, you know, been sweating and making its own water. So now this is the rest of my herbs. I just added a little water to it. I'm just pour it all over my chicken. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna mix this, you know, a little. Guys, don't put a lot of water into your meat. No, whatever meat you're cooking, don't fill the pot with water. You just want a little water to can, you know, doesn't even have to cover all your meat, because when it's bubbling, you know, it's gonna overflow, and you know, just the heat and everything. If you have to add water, you tip just a little. Look at this, and the chicken are done cook it. Look, you see that? Looking good. So what I have here is just a whole pepper and some carrot. Other people add Irish potato and other stuff to their curry chicken, but I don't really like to add Irish potato to my meat, because if your meat is properly seasoned, you don't need Irish potato. But what I like to use is my carrot and my whole pepper. So I'm just pour that all over it. See that? Because my meat almost cooking. It's been like 15-18 minutes since my chicken are cooked before I add in my seasoning. So this now, as I go along, I'm just gonna tip a little water when the water go down, and you know, like the thing come together. Because look at my gravy. My gravy thick already, you know. I don't need no Irish potato in this. No, so Irish potato is a different flavor to itself, and I don't like the potato flavor. So, you know, I eat potato if I just boil it and eat it like that, crush it with butter or whatever. But in my meat, we don't have to use that. We just have to cover this now and make it simmer down. Check on it every 3 to 5 minutes. Your meat, and make sure your meat cook. Because we don't eat raw meat, and curry have to cook properly. Alright? My curry chicken is cooked. It's ready, people. Look at it. It's ready. And look at the gravy. Let me tell you. The gravy. Guys, this smells good so. Oh my. Look at this. Finishing curry chicken. Like on a plate. You already see what it looks like in the pot. And guys, please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's In the Kitchen with Fluffy K. And like, comment. You know, let me think. Let me hear what you think about my curry chicken and my way of cooking it. So I'm gonna come back and show you it on a plate. Finishing curry chicken, guys. Look at this. This is the finishing curry chicken, and I'm serving my curry chicken with some rice and peas and just a little lettuce and cabbage and carrots. And yeah, this is what I'll be eating. So I have my fork ready. I'm just gonna eat this, and guys, me taste it already. You know, it tastes good, and trust me, you're gonna want to cook the same tasting curry chicken.